In this video, I am going to tell you the self-confidence formula, which contains 5 practical steps, and by following which you can have an expectancy to develop an amazing self-confidence. And this formula I am telling you from a very famous book, Think and Grow Rich, which is written by Napoleon Hill, and it is considered one of the best-selling books in the category of getting rich, not only in the terms of money but also in every aspect of life. So let's start without any delay. In the first step, you have to say yourself that I have the ability to achieve the object which is of my definite purpose in my life, and I demand myself to take continuous persistent action for its attainment, and I here and now promise to have such action. So by saying this, you are promising yourself to take such actions which will lead you towards your definite purpose in your life, and by saying this, your efforts will be much concentrated to this direction without any deviation. After that, in the second step, you have to say that I believe that the dominating thoughts of my mind will eventually reproduce into its physical action and will reproduce them into outward physical reality. So, I will concentrate on my thoughts of 30 minutes daily, in which I will be thinking of the person which I want to become. So by doing this, I will make a clear picture, a clear mental picture of that person in my mind, so that I will be very clear about that. So by having this promise, you will also have developed a clear imagination in which you can see yourself which you want to become in the future. So that will also help to direct your efforts in that direction. Also, after that, in the third step, you have to say that I know that through the principle of autosuggestion, whichever desire I hold in my mind continuously, that desire will find a way to have its attainment. So I will demand of myself the development of self-confidence, in which I will devote 10 minutes daily. So by having demand from your mind daily the development of self-confidence, you are also believing that that self-confidence will come to you because of the principle of autosuggestion. That is, autosuggestion is the suggestion given to oneself. After that, in the fourth step, you have to say that I have written a description of my definite purpose in life, and I will never stop trying until I will develop the sufficient self-confidence for attaining that purpose. So by following this step, you have to also decide a definite chief purpose of your life, in which you must also have to think, because most of the time we are not clear about our purpose also. And after that also, you have to also promise that you will not stop trying towards it, and also you will realize the importance of self-confidence for its attainment, so that you will also get motivated to take yourself towards that direction, that is the development of self-confidence. And after that, in the last and the fifth step, you have to say that I believe that no wealth or position will endure until it is based on truth and justice. I will succeed by attracting towards me the forces which will be in harmony with me and the cooperation of other people. I will induce others to serve me because I will be willing to serve them. And also, I will eliminate envy, jealous, and cynicism by developing love for the whole humanity. I will cause others to believe me because I will believe in them and also in myself. So here you are saying so much about the loyalty and honesty and you are saying that you will become rich, but not through illegal works or by harming the others, but you will get all that whatever you want by having the cooperation of others, because you yourself have a will to cooperate with them, and also you will gain the belief of them because you will have belief in them and also in yourself. So all this will motivate you much, and you will get a peace of mind also from this, in spite of, besides getting riches, you will also get a peace of mind from this. And in that, after having the formula, you have to write it in a paper, and after that you have to promise yourself that I will sign my name to this formula, and I will fully believe that this formula will affect my mind, because the dominating thoughts of my mind will eventually change into its actions, and I will become a self-reliant and successful person. So by having this promise to yourself, you will eventually be directed towards becoming a self-reliant and successful person. Try this formula. This will work practically because I have myself applied it. So this was the suggestion and the formula from the Think and Grow Rich book. And if you want to have more ideas from this book and other such books, so you can subscribe my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, so that you can easily access my videos. And also you can click on the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I will upload my next video. Also you can share it with your friends and relatives so that they can also be benefited from it. If you find it useful for them, then you should share it. So meet you soon guys in my next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.